Need to give your borrowers and partners access to their portal? Here's how to do it in just a few clicks. First, go to the Mortgage Info tab. Then, find your borrower and click the three-dot ellipsis under their info. This brings up a few options. Visit the portal, disable the portal, mark as completed outside the portal, which means that their 1003 loan application was completed outside of the portal. And lastly, invite with or without a password. Selecting Invite with Password means that the password would be sent with the original invite. Selecting Invite means you would need to send the password separately. This information can be found under the Contact Info tab within the record. Click Invite or Invite with Password, and the system will automatically generate the email for your client. They'll get an email with an access ID to log into their portal where they can interact with you and stay updated on their loan process. For security, the password is sent separately. And that's it. Smooth, secure, and seamless.